Welcome to Alisa's Learning Hub. I'm Daisy.
I'm Alisa.
Okay, Alisa, tell your friend what we went to do this morning.
We picked some leaves.
Yeah, we went to the park this morning and we picked lots of leaves.
Different leaves.
Okay, now what are we going to do with the leaves today?
We're going to make Tinkerbell dress.
Okay, what a good idea. That's very cool.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, yes, we're going to make Tinkerbell's beautiful dress.
We need leaves.
Yes, we need leaves to make Tinkerbell's dress. And we also need white paper, coloring pen.
This
Yes, and glue stick.
stick.
Okay, that's all we need. Okay, let's get started. Alright, now we're going to draw Tinkerbell's head and the body first. Now start with her head. I'm going to draw a half circle. On this side, I'm going to draw a curved line. It's going to be her fringe in front of her forehead, okay? On this side, I'm going to draw another curved line. So to connect with the first line we just drew, I'm going to draw a curved line to connect with this point, okay? Like that. Yep. And on this side, I'm going to draw another curved line to connect with this point. Up the top, I'm going to draw another half circle, okay, to go all the way up and go down to connect with this side, okay? So, like that. I'm going to draw her ears like a C shape on the left side and another C shape on the right. On top of her head, she has a bun, okay? So I'm going to draw a ball shape on top of her head. She has a hair tie, yeah?
Here.
Okay. I'm going to draw her hair tie, okay? With one end has like a raven sort of thing hanging down. I'm going to add some details to her hair. So I'm going to draw a line here. On this side, I'm going to do another line, a curved line, so to connect with this point. Good. And on this side, I'm going to do another curved line. Yeah, to go all the way to connect with point in the ear. Yeah, that's okay. And at the top, the bun. So I'm going to draw some sort of little curved line. Now I'm going to draw her eyes. Now with her eyes, I'm going to draw a curved line, but with one end lower, the other end higher. Okay, on the other side, draw the same thing. And I'm going to draw two circles underneath the line. And we leave sort of like a white circle in the middle. And I'm going to draw her eyelashes just at one end. Another line, just a tiny line above this eye, okay? It's her double eyelid line. Eyebrow. And I'm going to draw a smile. And cheek. Tinkerbell's head is ready. And then we're going to draw her body. Did a good job. And we're going to write a capital M, okay? Part of her dress.
Yeah.
Okay? About the body part, okay? So we're going to draw a straight line on the left hand side, but going inward, okay?
Here.
Towards the middle of her body. On the right hand side, drawing a straight line going inward, okay? Yeah. And I'm going to connect with a straight line down the bottom. Good. Up here, I'm going to draw her shoulder and her arms, okay? I'm going to draw a curved line, go here. Another curved line going down. Yeah, you can go up, that's no problem. From here, so you're going to start from here. I'm going to draw another line. Going here. Another line going here. So you need to draw a line. Can you draw a line from this point to here? Yeah. And I'm going to draw another line from point to here. Now I'm going to extend a little bit by going a little bit up. Okay. And then going inward. A curved line. Yeah. And this side I'm going down. See, going down, and we're going to connect like that. And on this side, we're going up. This side are going down. Yeah. And we're going to connect like that. Now I'm going to draw her wings from here, the shoulder. I'm going to draw a straight line. Go all the way up. You actually can connect these lines to make her wings, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to go down. On this side, I'm going to draw the same thing, okay? From you can go up this side, okay? Go up here, and then going down to connect. All right, and curve the line going down. This is the upper part of her wings, and then she has another little wings just beneath, okay? So I'm going to draw sort of circle or maybe oval shape underneath. Just pretend you're drawing a circle. But yeah, that's good. You're going like that. Now I'm just going to go over the lines I just drew. Just make the outer line thicker. We're going to cut it, okay?
Me too.
Alright.
Tinkerbell is green color. Yeah?
The dress is green color.
Yeah.
Let's start with her hair. It's yellow. Okay, now we have Tinkerbell's head and body ready, and we're going to decorate her dress with the leaves you collected from the garden. Yeah? Okay, now we're going to need the leaves. Okay, we're just going to pick some leaves, not too long. Just need to be okay. Here we go. Look, and then we sort of just lay them and see how many leaves we need. Okay. And then later we might need to trim the ends, okay, of these branches. I'm enough with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, 5, okay?
Yeah, I'm enough.
Alright, so we're going to just cut the end, okay? I'm going to
Add some glue.
yes, a glue stick, okay? Just Okay, we're going to draw a leg, okay? So in the middle, right in the middle. So you're going to be drawing maybe the line. Not too long, okay? I'm just gonna draw a tiny sort of line. Yeah, that's it. And on this side, I'm going to draw another line towards the middle. Like that. Okay, on this side, on the right hand side, I'm going to draw another line towards the middle. So I'm going to draw a little sort of dot that will go over to form like a ball shape.
Fluffy, so fluffy.
Yeah. And shoes. It's just like triangle. Exactly like that. And then we're just going to go over the marker. What color is the shoes? I think it's going to be green too.
And blue. I think it's gonna be blue and green. I'm in the sky.
The Tinkerbell already fly to the sky.
And the ant can't eat it. Oh, she's on the grass. Waiting.
So we finished drawing our Tinkerbell and we decorated Tinkerbell with the leaves we collected this morning. How beautiful is her dress?
Beautiful.
I think it's very eco-friendly as well. Yeah. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yes. You enjoyed drawing and doing the crafting with us? Please subscribe to our Lisa's Learning Hub. We will see you next time.
Bye. Did it.